Tired of endless scrolling through Coursera's massive course list, hoping to stumble across something useful? I get it. It can feel totally overwhelming. But here's the good news. In under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to find any course by category, so you can stop wasting time and start learning what actually matters to you. All right, so here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through 2 simple ways to do this. First, we'll browse by subject using the catalog. Then I'll show you how to use search filters to get even more specific. Let's start with the catalog. Head over to the Coursera website. Now, look for the Explore button near the top of the page and click on it. This is your main gateway. You should see a big list of subject areas show up. Scroll through all of them. You've got everything from data science to personal development. It's a lot, but that's the point. Now, here's where it gets useful. Instead of just looking, click directly on a specific subfield. For example, if you're into tech, click on artificial intelligence or data analysis. And just like that, Coursera serves you a neat, curated list of all the specializations and courses that fit that category perfectly. No more random browsing. Now, let's move on to the second method, which gives you even more control. This is where the search and filter panel comes in. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type in a general keyword like Python or project management and hit enter. This is going to bring up a lot of results, but don't panic. Over on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a filter panel. This is your best friend, and I'm going to show you how to use each one of them. First up is level. You can narrow your results down to beginner, intermediate, or advanced. This is a lifesaver if you don't want to jump into something way over your head. Next, there's skill. This lets you filter by specific abilities you want to build. Then you've got language, which is perfect if you want to learn in something other than English or if you want subtitles in your native language. And here's the really important one. Use the learning product filter. This lets you choose between individual courses, specializations, or professional certificates. So if you just want a quick overview, pick courses. If you want a deep dive with a certificate at the end, specializations is your best bet. So let's quickly run through the steps one more time. Go to Coursera and click on Explore. Then click on View All to see the full list. And finally, click on any category highlight to jump right into that subject. That's it. So there you have it. From feeling lost in a sea of courses to quickly pinpointing exactly what you need by category, this is the kind of practical platform know-how we focus on here at AI Mastery, because finding the right course should be the easiest part of your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.